Hello everyone and welcome back to Habib's English Academy. In our today's class, we will be discussing a topic that relates to our CSS, PCS, EMS and other competitive examinations. Today our topic is mass migration of people. Mass migration of people refers to the migration from one place to another place of a lot of people. For example, there is a war prevailing in the country. So most of the people do not take part in the war because they want to save their lives. So they will leave that country and go to another country in order to save themselves. That is called mass migration and one reason of it. In this lecture of us today, we will be discussing some other reasons why people migrate from their country, leave their areas in a great way, in a huge way. That is called the mass migration. Introduction. Mass migration refers to the large scale movement of people from one region to another. At a large scale, people move from one region to another region. This is known as the mass migration. Often driven by factors such as, most of the times the factors that drive them towards mass migration are these factors. Number one, conflict and violence. Because of fights and violence, crimes, punishment on the people, most of the people leave their region to go to another region. For example, in the conflict and violence, war comes, persecution without any reason comes. If anyone has done any wrong thing, persecuting them on that particular role is okay, but persecuting them without any reason is not fine. And human rights abuse also. Because of the human rights abuse, most of the people leave their region to go and prosper themselves in another region of the world. Number two, economic hardship. When the economy of any country goes down, then the people want to go from one country to another country where they have more economic opportunities. People who are well skilled and paid less in any particular region tend to go to another country where they are valued more, their skills are valued more, and where there is a scope for their skills and their degrees or education, etc., or their experience. Because of economic hardship like poverty, if poverty is increasing in any region, so they would like to go to another region. Unemployment, if there is not employment in a particular region, like the people have much skills in computer, but there is no place for working in computer in particular area, so they would like to go to another country where there is work for them. And lack of opportunities also move the people to move in mass migration. Number three, environmental degradation. Climate change, lack of water, lack of food, lack of resources drive the people to move from one particular region to another region. Like natural disasters also, if there is earthquake, there are floods, droughts, scarcity of food, scarcity of water. These are factors which are natural disasters drive the people to do mass migration. And climate change, in which I told the earlier examples like natural disasters. So these kind of factors in the climate change, a lot of heat, unbearable cold are reasons that degrade the environment, and because of it, the people move from one region to another. Number four, social and cultural factors. Sometimes there are biases of religions. For example, in India, the Muslims are persecuted, and the Hindus have bias against the Muslims. And because of this, these are the social and cultural factors that the people want to move from that country to another. People may migrate to join family members. One thing, for example, in one particular region, they have not their family, and they have family in USA. So Pakistanis would like to move to USA because their family members live there. In the same way, if any one particular important member of the family, the head of the family, works in Saudi Arabia, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, that people, the family would try to shift to Saudi Arabia because their family members are there. Second, for us, in cultural and social factors, to seek better education, they move, or to seek better health care, hospitals and all the health system, or to escape social persecution. If there is society which has a negative thinking, people would like to move to a society which is a positive thinking. Now this is all what we discussed. What is mass migration and why do the people move in mass migration? Now we will see some examples like Syrian refugee crisis. People from Syria moved to other countries because there were conflicts in that region. Rohingya crisis. Buddhists were committing cruelty, committing persecution over the Muslims. Therefore, the Muslims went from there. Venezuelan migration. People in Venezuela were facing a lot of economic crisis. They were not able to live in those economic conditions. Therefore, most of the people in Venezuela left their country. Afghan mass migration. United States of America was committing cruelty and persecution in Afghanistan on the Muslims in their own country. Therefore, most of the Afghanis left Afghanistan and came to Pakistan and took refuge over here. These were some of the examples. Besides that, there are lots of more examples too, which make us believe that why mass migration occurs in any region. Not only this, but also when a person goes from any particular region to another region, that region from where he has left also feels the vacuum which is to be filled after very many long years. So mass migration is not a fine thing to be done, and it should be done less, and the factors that are increasing it should be considered, and people should be given relief so that they are not doing the mass migration, because people do not leave their country, their region without any reason. If there are persecutions and hindrances, then they leave it. Thank you so much for listening.